Hey, ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of budgeting apps, spreadsheets, and financial advice, and you just want to know, is YNAB going to add to that chaos? Or is it the lifeboat you've been searching for? Specifically, is it going to eat up all your precious time? Let's face it, we're all busy. Between work, family, hobbies, and just trying to keep up with life, the last thing anyone needs is a budgeting tool that feels like a second job. You've heard the whispers, YNAB, the budget that actually works. But the big question lingering in everyone's mind is, does it come with a hefty time tax? Before we dive into that, let's quickly understand what YNAB, or You Need a Budget, actually is. It's not just another app that tracks your spending. It's a method, a philosophy, a way of thinking about your money that revolves around 4 simple rules: give every dollar a job, embrace your true expenses, roll with the punches, and age your money. Now, those rules might sound simple, but implementing them requires a shift in mindset. And yes, initially, that shift takes time. Setting up your categories, linking your accounts, and assigning every dollar its purpose isn't something you can do in 5 minutes. It's a process, a learning curve. But here's the crucial point: that initial investment of time pays off in spades. Think of it like learning a new language. It's challenging at first, but once you become fluent, it opens up a whole new world. The same goes for YNAB. In the first month or two, you might spend a bit more time than usual, maybe an hour or 2 a week, really getting to grips with the system. You'll be reconciling your accounts, adjusting your budget as life happens, and learning to anticipate future expenses. However, as you become more familiar with the software and the rules, that time commitment drastically reduces. Why? Because YNAB isn't about micromanaging every single transaction. It's about creating a plan, a roadmap for your money, and then checking in periodically to make sure you're still on course. Once you've established your categories and learned to anticipate your expenses, maintaining your budget becomes a quick and easy process. Think of it like this: instead of constantly reacting to your finances, you're proactively managing them. You're setting up systems that work for you, so you don't have to constantly scramble. Instead of spending hours worrying about where your money is going, you spend a few minutes each week ensuring it's going where you want it to. And here's a pro tip: YNAB's mobile app makes it incredibly easy to track transactions on the go. A quick tap here, a category selection there, and you're done. You can reconcile your accounts while waiting in line at the grocery store or during your commute. Small, consistent actions add up to a well-managed budget without feeling overwhelming. So, is YNAB time-consuming? Initially, yes, a little. But it's an investment, not an expense. The time you spend up front will save you countless hours of stress and financial uncertainty in the long run. It's like building a strong foundation for a house. It takes time and effort, but it ensures stability and security for years to come. Ultimately, the real question isn't whether YNAB takes time, but whether you're willing to invest a little time now to gain control of your financial future. Because let's be honest, the time you spend worrying about money is far more draining than the time you spend managing it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.